So welcome back to the channel. I've not really been posting much. There's been quite a lot going on in my life. I've actually got the Twingo Gordini out and it's been MOT, so that's actually now usable and available on the road for me to use. The other cars have been on and off, basically on the road, and I've been using the daily driver and that's been doing stuff. But what's really been happening and why I haven't been posting is I've actually sold my house. I'm actually moving from Wiltshire to Cheshire, and so yeah, I've really been dealing with that, not necessarily doing much with the cars. Not much has been going wrong with the cars actually. The cars have been absolutely fine. A couple of issues have come up, which is what this video is about. So yeah, I'm going to be moving sort of in the July-August time, so I'm sort of really getting ready. I can actually show you some of my packing. I said, see, there we go. I said it's. I've been packing lots of stuff, and there's lots of stuff going to come up with me. I've got a number of donations to the Retro Man Cave, which is going to happen soon. So yeah, so essentially what today's about is I went to Aberystwyth on the other side of Wales, and on the way back it was just absolutely pelting down. I had to do quite a hard brake because somebody pulled out in front of me on the motorway. Pretty much as soon as I'd done that, I started to get lots of juddering on braking. So I think my discs were warped. Basically it was very, very wet, and I went through a very large puddle and braked quite hard at the same time. And I've had a problem with this before with this car. When I first got it, the discs were warped. So yeah, so I've got some new discs, and so we're going to crack on and get on with it. So before I get comments about I've not replaced the brake pads, the original discs and that were put on, and these pads were put on about 12 to 14 months ago, and there's plenty of meat left in those pads, and they're absolutely fine. I said the wear patterns on the original disc, there's nothing too untoward. Let's just get this. So yeah, so there's some little scoring on the inside, and the wear lip is about the same as the other side, so I think that the actual caliper itself is not stuck. So it all looks good. It just, in terms of the actual wear patterns, yeah, I'll actually put this up on a flat surface and check. But again, the lip is fine, so both sides of the calipers, same amount of pressure on either side. Yeah, apart from that score there, get this wheel on and on to the next one.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Apart from catching my finger in the bottom of the knuckle there, this is the one I think which has actually got a problem. It's quite loose, and then it binds here. It actually is binding, so I think this is the disc which is actually warped. But it's really good practice to replace both at the same time. So.
Don't stop.
Right, so both discs are on. I'm going to go take it for a test drive and see how it feels. Yeah, so let's have a quick look. Yep, just going to put the locking nuts on and we're done. Right, so that's pretty much it done. That's the discs done. Quick test drive, up and down, and everything's all braking nicely. No juddering, nothing at all. So I think it was that driver's disc that had warped. It was binding on the brakes as I was turning it. So yeah, cheap discs really. And I've got another cheap set of discs on there, which will probably warp in a couple of years' time. So it's like 30 quid for the pair. So whatever. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.